guys, thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today I am going to be doing a natural everyday makeup routine. I'm just going to be showing you what I have been doing on a day-to-day basis for this summer, and I have been really liking it. It's simple, it's quick, and it's easy to do. I will go ahead and I will leave all of the products that I used in the description box below, so if you're watching it and you missed one of the items and you want to know what it was, I will have them listed in the description box. So if you want to see how I got this look, please keep watching. So I start off by using my It Cosmetics CC cream. I am going to be using the illumination version. I actually like the original version better, but I have been using this one just to use it up. And I like to use my Real Technique sponge to blend it in. And I am using the viewfinder to look at it, so if I'm looking to the side, that's why. Apply a little bit more to the forehead. And as you can probably tell, I do have pigmentation to cover up. So I have lots of acne scars. To make it extra quick, I tend to just use the same CC cream for my under eyes. Add a little bit more to try to get a little bit more coverage. And I did already prime with the Laura Mercier Hydrating Primer. I don't always do this step, but this time I'm going to use the Bare Minerals Mineral Veil Powder. And I only normally do this when I feel like the foundation is looking extra oily. I just swirl it around a little bit and I just do a really light dusting of it. I don't really have that much product on the brush, but just a little bit to hopefully make it look a little less shiny. Now I know that I do still have acne scarring still poking through, but normally on a day-to-day basis I don't really care if a little bit shows. And a lot of times after I apply the powder to my face, I will also go in and apply some to my under eyes as well. So now that the base is done, I normally then go to my eyebrows, and I have been using the Too Faced Chocolate Brownie brow pencil. It has, I don't know if you can see, it has a different kind of tip than most. It's not as thin as others. But I like it just because it's really quick and easy. So I just go through my brows. I don't normally get too precise with it on a daily basis. And sometimes I like to do a little extra step for my brows, and I've been using the Maybelline Tattoo Studio Brow Gel. And I do like to wipe off a good amount of it because otherwise the pigmentation is way too strong. And I just quickly go through my brows with it. Okay, and it's just nice and simple. And then I like to just brush through one more time with the spoolie, just to try to make sure it doesn't look too harsh. And then I have been going in with the It Cosmetics CC Plus Ombre Radiance Bronzer. I have been using this quite a bit recently and I do really like it. I have the bronzer out. I do go ahead and I just like to take some of that same bronzer and I use that as an eyeshadow. I just put it along the crease. And that's really all I do for eyeshadow on a daily basis. Sometimes I'll skip this. This kind of just helps to give my eyes a little bit more dimension. I will sometimes bring some of that same bronzer and put it along my lower lash line, just lightly. And then I tend to reach for the Becca Tiger Lily blush. It's a beautiful orange color, and I have just been really loving it. I feel like it has looked really nice in the summer, It makes my face look so much more alive once I have blush on. After I've applied blush, I've been going in with the Hourglass Ambient Lighting Powder in the shade Luminous Light. And I actually have been using this to just set my entire face. It just brings this really beautiful luminosity to the face, and it's almost like just like a filter that it brings to your face. To give my lips a little bit of color, I've really been enjoying this little mini lipstick by Bite Beauty. It's in the shade Meringue, and it's just this really pretty like light pink color, and it kind of looks a little peachy on my lips, and I have just really been enjoying it for the summer. And I like to go in with a highlight, and recently I have been using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlight, and it looks kind of bold in the pan. It does look quite bold actually in the pan. It's super pretty, but I just use a little bit, and I feel like it just gives my face even more of a glow, and I always like a glow, especially in the summer. And then I do just bring a little bit up onto my brow bone, and sometimes I'll go in with the precision brush and I'll put it in the inner corners of my eye, but I don't do that every day. Lastly, I curl my eyelashes and I put my mascara on. And for mascara, I kind of switch it out day to day, but today I'm going to use the BADgal Bang Mascara. I just got this for free. And to switch out my mascara, but for today I'm going to use this one. But I really like these mini sizes because they're great for travel, and sometimes I just feel like they're easier to use. Actually, sometimes I do like to go in with the Too Faced Sweet Peach lip gloss. Or it's actually called a Creamy Peach Oil Lip Gloss, but this is in the color Papa Don't Peach, and I just really like it. It's a nice nude color, and I feel like it has looked really good this summer, but I definitely think that this would look good into the fall as well. Alrighty, so this is the finished look. So that is the end of today's video. If you liked it, please give me a thumbs up. If you would like to see more videos from me in the future, please subscribe to my channel. That would be so nice, so great. And if you do have any recommendations for things that you might like to see from me, I would love to know, so feel free to leave a comment below. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.